Hello gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. Hello if you're new. If you're new, don't forget to click that subscribe button to join my YouTube family. I post every single Tuesday and Thursday, and I also do have a Patreon where I post 2 exclusive videos on there every single month, and it is always linked in the description box. But today is gonna be another cleaning video. We just had a little small get together for Christmas over on the weekend, so our house is a little bit messy and I definitely want to go around and clean everything, get everything organized. A cluttered house is a cluttered mind. Every time my house is clean, I just feel so much better. I wanted to start bright and early, so I'm just gonna go ahead around my house and clean the areas that need a little bit of work, and I'm gonna bring you guys along and share with you kind of like my little cleaning routine. Thumbs it up if you guys like these videos, it always helps me out. Share it as well, that always helps me out. Comment down below right now if your room, apartment, house is clean or messy. I'm curious to know. With that being said, let's just go ahead and let's start the cleaning. First things first, I'm gonna put my hair up. Does anyone else not agree that cleaning, I swear, it's a workout. It gets intense. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my hair into a ponytail and get to cleaning. Ready. I'm gonna go ahead and start in my family room because, to be honest, this is probably the easiest room. It's not too messy. So I'm just gonna start putting everything away, maybe wipe down my coffee table. Then I'll probably move on next into the kitchen, which is always the most disastrous. The biggest difference is just when you put your pillows and fluff them and you just put all those blankets away. So I just have my one blanket I like to always just keep here. If you guys are looking for a way to kind of organize your blankets in a cute way, I totally recommend getting a bin, or you could get those like blanket ladders. I really like that too. This one is really nice. I love the texture and the silver and black. It really matches the decor, and I picked this up from HomeSense. Having the couch made just makes everything look so much more put together and clean. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and move on to the coffee table and just wipe it down, put everything away, and then just fix those 2 pillows over there. And for the most part, this is done. I might vacuum and clean the floors at the very end, but this room was pretty put together. When it comes to any of my glass decor, I always love to use this Allen's double strength cleaning vinegar. This is really great for glass. It's going to be streak free. You can use it for other things as well, but I prefer this over like Windex. It's a lot healthier. However, it does have a really strong vinegar scent, but it gets the job done and I really like the results. And when it comes to what I use, I just use these cloths. I will try to link some down below, but these are great when you're cleaning glass. It's a lot more environmentally friendly, but it also saves you money so you don't have to waste paper towels while using like Windex, for example. I also have obviously mirrors I use this for as well. So it comes in handy, and as you guys can tell, I'm almost out of this and I have to definitely pick up another because this is gonna be done super soon. It is actually quite gloomy today, so I went ahead, I turned on the Christmas tree. Any excuse that I can turn the Christmas tree on, I will take it. It just sets the vibe, sets the mood. One thing I did want to mention, and I totally recommend if you have your own house or apartment, or even if you want to use this in your room, I recommend having diffusers. This is the diffuser I have in this room. It actually smells like a Christmas tree. Since I do have a fake tree, it's a little tip during the Christmas time is get Christmas scents, so it kind of gives you that illusion that you have a real Christmas tree in your house. They just make the room smell amazing. So when you have guests or you just walk into the house, it gives that amazing aroma. It's definitely something I prefer over candles. I have a bunch of candles and I kind of use candles more now as decor. I will light them sometimes, but I prefer diffusers now, and they're also a lot healthier than the typical candle. Room 1 is now complete. If you guys are curious and want to see like a Christmas house tour where I go more in detail about all my decor, then I will link that video above and have it down below, because I did do a Christmas home decor haul and I also did a whole like Christmas home tour. So definitely go check that out. But now I'm gonna move on to the bathroom, I decided, and then I will move on to the kitchen, which is always the worst. I spend way too much time in the kitchen. That is why. Comment down below what room in your apartment or home that you find gets the messiest the fastest, because the kitchen is definitely mine. When it comes to cleaning the toilet and just cleaning the bathrooms in general, I like to use this Lysol Advanced Toilet Bowl Cleaner for the toilets, of course. The Vim Cream is really great at cleaning the sinks. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab these two and start cleaning. Requires dusting, I always go in with these little dusters. When it needs a washing, I'll just throw this in the laundry, and I actually picked this up from the dollar store. This is super useful for things that are hard to reach as well, because you can extend it. So this is just really great for things that collect dust or things that are too high to reach. The bathroom is pretty much done now, and now I'm gonna move on to the kitchen. This is the overview of the kitchen, and to start out first, I'm just gonna go around and start putting things away. Like, as you can tell, I have jackets here, I have one on the stairwell, and the island is a mess, so that is what I'm gonna start with first. Next step is to put away all the clean dishes and wash the dirty dishes. For all the stainless steel in the kitchen, I am just using the Wayman stainless steel cleaner and polish. Beginning first with the sinks, I'm just going to spritz this and wipe it down. Sink all clean. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to just get rid of the little things on here and just organize it a little better, and then I'm going to wipe down all of the countertops in the kitchen. The spray I've been using as of late is the Meyer's Clean Day Multi-Surface Cleaner, and this is in the lemon verbena scent. I actually picked these up from Costco and it came in a pack of 2. Kitchen is now complete. All I have to do is go through that doorway and just tidy up the servant room because it's actually a little bit messy. My favorite thing is having a clean kitchen. This is an overview of the servant room. I just have to put away all of those things in the corner and just organize here and put some things away and just wipe it down, and we will be done with the servant room. The servant room is now organized, and I went ahead and finished wiping down the countertop. This is the entryway, and I'm obsessed with all the little Christmas decor, but I just wanted to go ahead and clean the mirror because I realized it was actually super dirty. But for the most part, this area stays pretty clean. So that's all I'm gonna do. And then of course, put away my fiance's shoes. And if you guys are wondering what that red ribbon is, my fiance and I actually put that on the outside of the door. I will pop in a photo of what it looks like. It is super cute and I'm obsessed with it. Such a good DIY for decorating your house on the outside. Whew! I am so happy because it is finally the end of this video. I am finally done cleaning. I'm actually running a little bit late today. I do have a hair appointment, so I had to cut it short. I did want to clean a few more places in my house, particularly more the upstairs, but I'm running a little bit late, and for the most part, I'm happy with what I was able to get done. I knew today I would be in a rush, but it actually smells so clean in here, so fresh. I love that scent after cleaning, and who doesn't like coming home to a clean, fresh house? Thumbs up if you guys like this video. It really helps me out, and click that subscribe button to join my YouTube family. I would love for you guys to be a part of it. I do post every single Tuesday and Thursday, and I also do have a Patreon where I upload 2 exclusive videos in there every single month. But I hope you guys are having an amazing day, evening, or night whenever you're watching this, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye!